Okay, this is the first of 5 throws of paper airplane throwing contests. This is Kime's throw. Oh, not bad, not bad. Next? Who's next? Alicia? Alicia's going next. Foot on the mark. Oh! Wait, let me get a zoom of this. Okay. Up next would be Joanne, competing against Alicia and Kime. Oh! As of now, Joanne is in the lead. Up next is Adam. He's apparently the expert in airplane making. Whoa! And are you in the lead?
Yeah.
He's in the lead. Okay, it's all on me. Here we go. Winner! Loser! How do I stop? Stop it. Who's the winner? Wait, we gotta find out who the winner is. Mine? Alicia?
Hey.
Wait, that is
mine.
none?
Mine.
Alicia, Joanne, Adam.
Lucy!
How do you feel about winning?
It's a great day in my life.
Good to know.